Hi everyone, it's Sarah. Today I'll be guiding you through this backbending yoga flow. We don't need any props today, so let's go ahead and get started in child's pose. So we're going to go ahead and bring your big toes to touch and turn your knees out wide to the sides of your mat. Send your glutes back towards your heels and extend your arms forward and lower your head down onto your mat here. And just take a moment to settle into your body and connect with your breath. Take a full deep breath in through your nose and a full deep breath out through your mouth. Take another deep breath in. Deep breath out through your mouth. Take one more full breath in through your nose. And one more full breath out through your mouth. Now seal your lips and continue to breathe in and out through your nose. Just focusing on your breath here. And allow your body to relax. Breathing in. And breathing out. Take one more deep breath in. And one more deep breath out. Then start to make your way to tabletop, bringing your wrists directly beneath your shoulders and knees directly beneath your hips. We'll do a few cat-cows to warm up the spine. So on the inhale, drop your belly, head comes up for cow. Exhale as you round your spine, bring your chin to chest cat. Take another inhale to your cow. And exhale, cat. Another inhale. And another exhale. And do a few more of these at your own pace, linking breath with movement here. One more round of cat-cow. Start to bring yourself into a neutral spine, and then from here, walk your hands forward, pressing your palms down into the mat, keeping your hips directly over your knees, and then lower your forehead down for puppy pose. Take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Another inhale, another exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. 2 more rounds of breath here. Take one more inhale and one more exhale. And then start to lift your forehead up, returning yourself back into your tabletop. And now from here, tuck your toes beneath you and send your hips up and back to downward facing dog. Keep your ears in line with your shoulders. Draw your hips up high. And you can bend and straighten your legs here to stretch out your calves and hamstrings. Now find some stillness here with your legs. And then from here, we're going to shift our weight forward so that we bring our shoulders directly over our wrists. And now we're in a straight line from our head all the way to our heels. So we're in our plank pose here. And now we're going to lower down, knees, chest, chin to the mat. Flip over the tops of your feet. Inhale as you slide up into a low cobra, keeping a bend in your elbows here. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Tuck your toes beneath you and send your hips back to downward facing dog. Take a full deep breath in and a full deep breath out. Inhale, exhale. One more inhale, and one more exhale. Inhale as you step your right foot between your hands, lower your left knee down onto your mat here, and bring yourself up so that you have your chest up. Interlace your fingers here and place your hands at the back of your head. And now look up towards the ceiling here. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Now release your hands down, interlace your fingers behind you, squeeze your shoulder blades together here, puffing up your chest. And now you can lean backwards, opening up your chest more. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhale, exhale. One more inhale, one more exhale. Inhale as you release your hands down onto your mat here. Now step your right foot back to downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale, deep exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. One more inhale, and one more exhale. Inhale as you step your left foot between your hands, lower your right knee down onto your mat here. Now interlace your fingers together and place your hands at the back of your head and look up towards the ceiling. Take a full deep breath in and a full deep breath out. Now start to release your hands down. Interlace your fingers behind you, squeezing your shoulder blades together, puffing up your chest here, leaning backwards, opening up your chest. Take a full deep breath in, deep breath out. 2 more rounds of breath here. One more inhale, and one more exhale. Now start to release your hands down to frame your left foot, tuck your right toes beneath you, and then send your left foot back to your downward facing dog. Take a full deep breath in and a full deep breath out. Breathe in, breathe out. One more inhale and one more exhale. And start to lower your knees down onto your mat here. Sit back onto your heels here. And now from here, we're going to place our left fingertips down by our left foot. Then inhale as you push your hips forward and send your right arm back. So we're in a half camel pose. Then Exhale as you lower your hips back down to the mat. Tent your right fingertips down by your right foot. Inhale as you push your hips forward. Send your left arm back. Exhale as you lower back down onto your heels. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Another inhale, another exhale. One more inhale, and one more exhale. Now start to bring yourself onto your knees here. Place your hands onto your lower back here, pressing your thumbs into your lower back. Now push your hips forward, squeezing your glutes together here. And start to lean backwards, staring up towards the ceiling here. Option to stay here, or you can reach back and grab the back of your heels. And remember to breathe here in this pose. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhale, exhale. Another inhale, another exhale. Now slowly start to lower back down onto your heels here. Placing your hands onto your thighs and closing your eyes and connecting with your breath. Take one more deep breath in and one more deep breath out. Now start to bring yourself down onto your mat here, lowering down onto your back, keeping your knees bent, with your feet planted onto the mat here. And now from here, we're going to extend our left leg and hug your right knee in towards your right shoulder. And then use both hands to guide your right knee over to the left side of your mat and reach the right hand out over to the right side, gazing over your right fingertips. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale and exhale. Continue to connect with your breath here. Take one more deep breath in and one more deep breath out. Inhale as you untwist, returning your right knee back in towards your chest. Then extend your right leg down. Then hug your left knee in towards your left shoulder. And then use your hands to guide your left knee over to the right side. And extend your left hand out to the left, gazing over to the left side. Take a full deep breath in and a full deep breath out. Inhale and exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. 3 more rounds of breath here. Take one more deep breath in and one more deep breath out. Inhale as you untwist, returning your left knee back in towards your chest. Then also hug your right knee in towards your chest. Then squeeze yourself into a tight little ball. bringing your knees to your nose here. Deep in. Then exhale as you release everything down to the mat for your final resting pose, Shavasana. Allow your legs to turn outwards, allowing your palms to face up towards the ceiling, and gently closing your eyes here. And just connecting with your breath. Allowing your body to relax and giving gratitude to your mind, body, and your breath for showing up today for your practice. And you can choose to end your practice here or stay as long as you'd like. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. My name is Sarah. See you in the next video.